Trumbull Regional Medical Center is the only hospital in the county that provides beds for behavioral health. We would like to expand that, but we can't if the hospital's not there going forward.
John Gennari is the point man for the effort to save Trumbull Regional, and the hospital's psychiatric ward is one reason why. Hello, I'm Stan Boney.
I'm Lindsay Watson. The psychiatric unit at Trumbull Regional Medical Center has closed. No new patients are being accepted.
That's one fallout being felt already from last week's announcement that the hospital will close by September 20th. Losing a psychiatric ward. It's our top story tonight at 10.
The psychiatric unit at Warren's Trumbull Regional Medical Center has 35 beds, 19 for adults and 16 for geriatric patients. With last week's announcement that the hospital is closing, all the beds are gone.
It's a huge deal, yeah.
Katie Cretella of the Trumbull County Mental Health and Recovery Board says they contract with Coleman Health Services, which screens patients at Trumbull Regional to determine if hospitalization is necessary. Now that Trumbull Regional is closing, the process of transferring screenings to Warren's St. Joseph Hospital has started.
It's definitely not ideal for the directors at Coleman to try to get an entire staff trained and getting access to St. Joe's records and being able to document within their medical system.
But St. Joseph Hospital does not have a psychiatric ward. The closest hospital would be Mercy Health in Youngstown.
Any patient that was not able to be accepted at Trumbull Regional Medical Center, they've always been referred to Mercy and outside hospitals, and we would continue that process.
There have been occasions when Trumbull Regional and Mercy Health's psychiatric wards were full.
This is not a new process for us. Anytime we don't have beds and there is such a need for psychiatric services, we would refer outside.
But now more psychiatric patients will be moved out of town, sometimes as far as Cleveland and Akron.
It is not ideal to send our psychiatric population outside of this area when we're looking at if people don't have access to transportation, family members that don't have access to transportation. And
screeners from Coleman Health are still assessing potential psychiatric patients at Trumbull Regional, but only if they walk into the emergency room. Ambulance crews, however, cannot bring psychiatric patients to Trumbull. They're going to St. Joe's.
Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay Watson. Thanks for watching the WKBN 27 First News YouTube channel. If you want more video news, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the WKBN 27 First News app for breaking news alerts.